If you have a website, you are going to need some traffic. There are many ways of driving traffic to a website, many free ways, many paid ways. In this video, I'm going to show you the Facebook ad way. What's going on, everybody? This is your host, Renaldo Edmondson, and in this video, I'm going to introduce you to the world of traffic through Facebook ads. It's kind of how Facebook ads started out. It's what it became known for, and it's kind of changed with how you will typically use Facebook ads due to all of the different cool campaign objectives out there. So in this video right now, I'm going to show you what Facebook ad traffic is, i.e. how you use Facebook ads to drive traffic to your website, but most importantly, when you should use it and how you should strategically approach it. So without further ado, what is the campaign objective called website traffic, or the traffic objective? It is as it sounds, driving people off Facebook to your website or whatever entity online you want to drive them to. It might be some affiliated site that you have. Be careful of these clickbaity type affiliate sites. You will get banned very quick if it's not authentic, because Facebook wants a fantastic user experience towards its users. That means when you're driving people off site, driving them to somewhere, a property that you own or a property that has some kind of credibility, otherwise you're going to be in trouble. What is it? Right. It's very simple. Remember what the whole running theme is through these campaign objectives. I'm saying to Facebook, yo, Facebook, go find me people who are known to do this activity that I consider a goal, which for me is clickers, people who click on links inside of Facebook and go offsite. Go and find me those people. That's the main thing that you're trying to do with the website traffic objective. And then of course you want traffic towards your website. You're going to get given, like any metric, a cost per click. So anytime somebody clicks on the link, on the ad, and goes off-site, Facebook's going to give you a cost. But that is deceiving. Now forget that. Just because a person has clicked the link to go off-site, remember they can click a link and go to your Facebook page and all that sort of stuff. Facebook's going to give you something called a link click cost, which is going to show you every time somebody's clicked on the link to go to your website. That means the little button or anywhere below the bottom third of the ad, all of that, even the image on the ad, all of that will drive people to your website. Any of that is classed as a cost per click inside of your Ads Manager dashboard metric analysis. But that doesn't mean somebody got there. Just because someone clicked didn't mean they arrived. You've done it yourself. You're in the subway and you click on a website, and as you're walking down, it's loading too long, I didn't get there. So you have something called cost per landing page view as well. Now I feel this is very important to do. So for this reason, you must make sure the Facebook pixel exists on your website and you optimize it for landing page views, because you want to track website visitors. You don't want to track link clicks, because link clicks technically don't mean anything to you. It shows some intent, but intent don't mean purchase, intent don't mean inquiry, intent don't mean the objective that you want for your business. So make sure you are tracking landing page views. How it works to kind of extend, you're going to select the traffic objective when you go to set up a Facebook ad, whether you use the quick creation tool or whether you use the longer guided creation tool. You're then going to define your audience. Very, very simple. Who am I targeting? Who are they? What's the demographic, etc., etc. And I'll try and do a video specifically on targeting another time. And of course, you're going to then create your ad and make sure you include the URL of where you're guiding people to. It is that simple. It's very, very easy to set up a traffic campaign inside of Facebook. But there is a reason why I've kind of whizzed through that, because it's so simple, because this is the place we need to get to, strategy. When should you be using the website traffic campaign objective? I always say, you're going to use the traffic objective because you want inexpensive traffic. Right now, the website traffic objective is the cheaper of the CPMs for when you're driving clicks to your website from Facebook, right? In other words, you'll pay for, every time 1,000 people see your ad, you're going to pay a certain amount of money. Now, if you're tracking anybody who sees a conversion ad and clicks versus a traffic ad and clicks, the cost for each one of those clicks is a different cost. Anybody who sees a video ad and clicks, anybody who sees a lead ad and they find a way to click off, it's a different cost. for every time somebody clicks using that particular piece, that particular objective. With the traffic objective, it's the cheapest of the lot, right? So you're trying to use, so you want to take advantage of very inexpensive traffic towards a sensible goal. What's the goal for you? It could be key page views. So there's certain pages on our website we want people to view. It might be a blog that we have, and we want as much traffic as possible because we want to see how long do people stay. Do people read the entire blog? How many pages do people view after they've gone to the blog? We need to know this because we need to know if the blog's working and worth spending more time on or not. We don't need a conversion campaign for that. We don't need a lead ad for that. We don't need a video campaign for that. We need a traffic objective campaign that drives traffic so we can monitor that activity. Of course, you can't monitor any activity if you do not have the Facebook pixel installed, because that's going to communicate with Facebook Analytics. And through Facebook Analytics, which I will do a video on, you are going to be able to break down and see exactly the user behavior and activity from that visit. And that visit is costed you less money because you used the intelligent objective choice, which was traffic, right? So that's one of the key reasons. Guys, remember this, traffic is not sales. If you are looking for sales, use the conversion campaign objective, because the conversion campaign objective is machine learning in real time. It's learning more about your customer, and it's finding and deducing the right customers who are going to be the best ones for you, and it's finding more people like that and running ads to people like that. Just because you're paying 20 pence per click or 20 cents per click or 15 cents per click does not mean you're going to be getting conversions inexpensively. You can pay, we've experienced paying £2 and £3 and £4 per click and getting a higher conversion rate versus trying to run a traffic campaign at 20 pence per click or 20 cents per click for the same thing and getting no conversions. Conversion campaigns are built towards getting people to buy. Traffic campaigns are built towards getting people to come over to your website and view some stuff. Yes, you can get sales out of it as well. That's not the driving thing you use for sales. So don't confuse traffic with sales. But boom, right. Retargeting Builder, brilliant retargeting builder. The traffic objective is a very good retargeting builder, i.e. getting people to come to your website on a frequent basis so you can build up an audience who you can retarget other ads to, conversion ads to, video ads to, all the nurture stuff that is needed in order for people to make a sensible choice to choose you versus choose everybody else, including choosing not to do anything at all. You have user behavior analysis. I just touched on that a moment ago. You want to use the traffic objective to lure people to your website so you can analyze how they behave. Once you're analyzing how they behave, you understand what they're doing, you'll start to understand what kind of different campaign objectives we now need to start running to these people, especially if you're in e-commerce and you're trying to figure out, okay, well, what's the primary role of our website? Do we just want to just only use it for a formal sales place? Or do we want to use it as a place where people can learn more about our stuff? And if those people learn more, do they go from learning more to then go and buying? Or do they go from learning more, going off-site, and then do we need to run ads to them to get them to come back and purchase? You can do this when you're smart about how you're using the traffic objective, okay? And I touched on this a second ago, nurture, which is content, context, nurture. In order for you to sell at scale and sell routinely, you are going to need audiences of people who know who you are. In order to get people to know who you are, you're going to need to get something in front of those people, and you don't want to spend a lot of money to do it. This is where the traffic objective becomes really effective. We're running ads to people, we're getting people to come to our website, it's inexpensive for us to do, and we're nurturing those people. We're getting those people used to who we are. Some of them are going to opt into forms, some of them are going to opt into lead ads, some of them are going to add to cart and go to checkout, and we're going to end up in our abandoned cart retargeting situation where we're going to run emails to people according to the abandoned cart. People are going to do stuff according to their journey that they have with us, but their journey that they have with us through the traffic objective is inexpensive. And it's that inexpensive journey that allows us to build some contextual information and eventually build customers at the right scale that we are looking for. Always understand this. There's a purpose for everything when it comes to Facebook ads. Don't just choose a random objective from the 14 and think, I'm just going to use that because I want that goal. No, traffic is for traffic, but you must understand exactly how traffic needs to be used for your specific needs. When you do that and you do it the right way, you'll find the traffic objective is a very, very good option to do and to achieve whatever you need for your goals inside your Facebook ad campaign. Guys, I hope that helps. If you have any questions, you know where to find me. Peace.